The REI Forms Live connection with the Eckermann Forms portal makes the ordering of searches and Form 1s an even easier and streamlined process. From within your REI Forms login, simply create a sales agency agreement or contract, save the details entered, and then choose Eckermann Forms to complete the Form 1 from the Partners tab. Or, if you have a finalised form, select the desired property from the list of forms and then choose Eckermann Forms from the Partners tab. From either method, the details entered into your REI form will be pre-populated into two screens where amendments or additions can be made. Once all is correct, select Submit. You will then be taken to the Eckermann Forms portal landing page to finalise your submission. The 4 approval questions have been auto-populated so that Eckermann Forms completes the vendor's questionnaire with the vendor, has the vendor sign the Form 1, and for the vendor to pay for the searches and preparation up front. The final question is populated to show that the agent will serve the Form 1 on the purchaser. However, Eckermann Forms can also do this for you. If you select Eckermann Forms to serve the Form 1 on the purchaser, they will do so via email, copying in the agent and requesting a delivery receipt. Once the delivery receipt is received, this will be forwarded to the sales agent to signify that the Form 1 has been served and cooling off, if applicable, has commenced. There are drop-down options under each approval question, which can be selected to tailor each request. In this example, we will leave them as auto-populated. If the property is going to auction, select Yes. If you do know the date, please enter it here. If not, it will let you submit without putting a date in. Under the request heading, this is where you select what type of property it is, as well as the service you would like Eckermann Forms to provide. Note, there is the option to request contract preparation for all property types. Once the property type and services requested are selected, the pricing will populate. For this example, we will select Residential and Torrens, and select the Searches and Form 1 service offering. Then select Submit Request. Once submitted, you will be taken to a screen confirming the submission. Once this is closed, you will be returned to the REI Forms Live site. Eckermann Forms will contact the vendor to confirm their instructions to proceed, discuss payment options, and ask if they are able to complete the vendor's questionnaire over the phone. A secure link will be sent to the vendor via email, allowing them to complete payment and the vendor's questionnaire if they were unable to do so over the phone. Once the vendor has confirmed their instructions over the phone, the searches will be ordered and the certificate of title and other relevant documents will be emailed to you. Eckermann Forms will keep you updated throughout the entire process to ensure an accurate and timely release of the Form 1. If you know your login details to the Eckermann Forms portal, you can also monitor your requests directly within the portal. If you're unsure on what your login details are or have any queries, please contact our friendly team on 08 8366 7977 or info@eckermannforms.com and they will be more than happy to help. Finally, if you require any support outside of traditional working hours, please contact Eckermann Assist on 08 8235 3944. This service is available Monday to Friday between 7 a.m. till 9 p.m. and weekends and public holidays between 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. We hope this new service offering helps simplify the Form 1 ordering process and look forward to receiving your requests.